Hi, my name's Armin, and today we're going to look at how to adjust the time on your Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Join me on a step-by-step tutorial on how to adjust this in the all-new Mercedes MBUX system. Now that we're in the driver's seat, you'll notice on the top left-hand side of your screen, the time is currently showing 38 past 4. The time is currently 38 past 10. Two things that we want to adjust here is the time format from 24-hour to 12-hour, and we also want to change the time zone. To begin with, the quickest way to do this would be to press the clock on the top left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a quick access menu. I want you to select the clock, directly under it the little coggle wheel, which will take you to the settings menu. You'll notice that my time zone is currently set as Armenia. Currently I'm sitting in Australia, so I want to change this time zone. To do this, we're going to select time zone, scroll to your relevant location, so mine being Australia. We'll scroll down. When you select your location, sometimes your country has different time zones. My country is quite large, so I have 3 different time zones. I'm on the Eastern Standard Time, so I'm going to select +10. Now that this has been completed, the time is currently showing correct, although it's sitting in 24-hour format. To adjust this, directly under the time zone, you want to select Format. Up the top here, you can see 24 hours or AM/PM. We want to select AM/PM. Now the time is currently showing 39 past 10 and currently showing the same time on my phone. You've successfully adjusted the time zone and the time format on your Mercedes-Benz MBUX system. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even leave a comment below. Join me on another tutorial soon, but for now, I'm off.